digital learning is a big platform. There are no boundaries for this platform because there are so many providers of information from so many channels. So, therefore, if you want a focused learning, then you should start somewhere with fundamentals. Once the fundamental is over, the organizers will definitely provide the next level of the program, say maybe diploma. Okay, once your diploma is over, you can also plan for some graduation, but meantime you will also be working, you will be an earning. So, learn while you earn. So, while you do your entrepreneurship, while you do your employment in the tourism wing, you can also continuously learn the advanced subjects and then you can progress in your entrepreneurship. So, you can be an improved entrepreneur, you can widen your scope of your activity. So, therefore, learning should always be there. Every individual should be a lifelong learner. So, దీని కోసము university is designing every day. Our teachers are on the job, not only working for their regular duties, they are also planning for what next we need to add. So, we have become now all digital classrooms are there, digital learning platforms are there. We are also establishing a studio in next 10-15 days. We will start our functioning from there, and new digital classes will be conducted in every department, and not only in every department, even students also will be encouraged to prepare their own teaching videos, their opinion about any subject. So, that will become a learning environment and depository. It becomes a repository also. There will be a lot of information repository and that will be useful always. So, therefore, we will definitely improve, and both classroom as well digital, both things will be active, and our university is now ready for 24/7 activity. Our students are also busy learning right from morning to late in the evening, and they enjoy, they also fight with each other, they also indulge in so many arguments. All that is part of the learning. So, therefore, our vision is there is no limit. Only thing is that we need to have some money and we need to have a manpower. So, all that right now Mahatma Gandhi University is set for all this. Stage is set, and we are going to definitely contribute to the unemployed youth of the Telangana to the extent possible in gaining knowledge and becoming established entrepreneurs or employees.